Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing documents: Aadhaar number, account number, and the mobile registered with the bank. Once ready, go straight to the bank counter or a passbook printing ATM. Do not wait. Ask the teller to update or reprint your passbook so account details refresh. You do this because passbook entries only show the seeded Aadhaar after the bank posts the linkage record. While there, present original Aadhaar and a photocopy. This speeds verification, and once the passbook is updated, turn to the customer details page at the front and scan for your Aadhaar digits or a note reading Aadhaar seeded. If you do not see it, make sure the bank staff checks the core banking system for the seeding status. Sometimes the passbook printout lags. Ask them to print a confirmation slip or stamp the passbook with the linkage confirmation. This provides a tangible record and explains why the visual check matters versus relying on memory. You finish by confirming the linkage. After submission, keep the bank receipt and wait 48 to 72 hours for processing. Then reprint or update the passbook to see the Aadhaar entry. If the Aadhaar still does not appear, verify that name and date of birth match exactly between bank records and Aadhaar. Minor mismatches block seeding. As a single troubleshooting tip, if things go wrong, ask the branch to raise a seeding escalation and get a countered receipt. That makes follow-up faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.